In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email in AOL. I will walk you through each click so you can follow along even if this is your first time using AOL Mail. First, open your browser and search for AOL. Type AOL in the search bar, then press enter. On most computers, the results appear in a list in the center of the screen. You should see AOL right near the top, often with the word mail under the main link. Take a moment here and check the address line under the results so you know you are going to the real AOL website and not an advertisement or something unrelated. Once you see the correct AOL result, click that link and then click Sign In. The Sign In button usually appears in the top right corner of the AOL page. Clicking it opens the login screen where you will see a place to enter your username and password. After you sign in, AOL takes you to your main mail page. You will know you are in the right spot when you see a list of emails in the center and folders such as Inbox on the left side. Now, open your inbox or the folder containing the message you want to delete. On the left side of the screen, click Inbox if the email is there. If your message is stored in another folder, click that folder name instead. As soon as you click, the list in the middle refreshes and shows the emails inside that folder. A beginner tip here: unread emails are usually bold, while read emails use normal text, which makes it easier to scan before you decide what to remove. Next, check the box next to the email or multiple emails you want to remove. Each message has a small box on the left side of its row. Click inside that box and you will see a check mark appear. If you want to delete several emails at once, click the boxes for each of them. As you select more messages, AOL highlights those rows, so you have a clear visual cue of what you are about to delete and can double-check before moving on. Finally, click the Delete button, the trash can icon, at the top of your message list. This icon usually sits above the list of emails in the row of controls. Once you click it, the selected emails disappear from the list. In AOL Mail, that means they are moved out of the folder you were viewing, so your inbox or other folder now looks cleaner and less cluttered. If you still see the email, make sure it was checked before you click the trash can. You have just learned how to find your AOL Mail, select one or more messages, and delete them using the trash can icon. If this helped you clear out your AOL inbox, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more straightforward email tips.